Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. I've got a Porsche Cayenne. The final product, we done the actual CB radio antenna and the CB radio setup and the actual front LED floodlight for if you're living in a farm or you always do some driving in the country area. So this customer wanted me to actually put this on his car, so let's have a look. Three cars here. Okay, so that's the actual LED floodlights right there. So we took the whole front bar off and we drilled everything properly, nice and neat. That's your CB radio antenna there. Looks very nice. Alright, so that's how it looks like. That's how it looks like on the front. So nothing's damaged on nothing is drilled through the front bar. Everything's done properly. If you come through to the actual inside the car, all the wiring, that's a CB radio there. You don't have to have the CB radio, but if you need one, you can always contact us. We can put one for you. That's the actual CB radio, and that's the switch for your front floodlight. So it looks nice and neat. That's the center console from top. Right there, there's the switch. So now I'm going to turn it on. Turn the switch on. The lights come on. Lights front. Take that. So that's the light for there. CB radio. And let's have one more look from the front. There you go. There it is. Alright, if you need a CB radio or front, we do upgrades for the LED lights as well. I'll put LED lights here as well. So the actual, right now, this car's got LED globes inside here. So it looks nice and clear in the night time. And more lights for actually better for your view anyway, when you're driving the car in the dark. So, alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.